Behind every breathtaking landscape and every fleeting moment in the wild, there is a deeper story, one of preservation, purpose, and connection. This is Behind the Lens of Parks and Preservation. Dr. McGunagle arrives before the world awakens, when the light is soft and nature speaks in quiet whispers. For her, photography is not just about capturing beauty, it's about honoring it. Each park, each preserve, holds sacred fragile ecosystems, endangered species, and stories that deserve to be seen and remembered. Through her lens, these moments become more than images. They become a bridge, connecting people to places they may never visit, but can still feel. Because when people feel something, they begin to care. Parks and protected lands are more than scenic destinations. They are vital sanctuary guardians of biodiversity, protectors of water, air, and life itself. Yet many of these places face growing threats from development, climate change, and human impact. And that is where her work becomes a mission. Every photograph is intentional, a story, a call to awareness. She doesn't just document what is there, she reveals what is at stake. In these quiet interactions, between light and land, between wildlife and time, there is a powerful reminder. Nature doesn't need us to survive, but it does need us to protect it. Through her lens, she invites us to slow down, to see differently, and to become part of something greater. Because preservation begins with awareness, and awareness begins with a single image. Protect, preserve, experience nature. Experience the full journey in her book, Parks and Preservation, a fine art journey through 250 years of America's conservation legacy. Find the link below and bring these stories into your own space. Subscribe for more Behind the Lens adventures and be part of the movement to protect what matters most.